Novel fundraising initiative. A success story of Lions Club Secunderabad West Maradpalli. Lions Club of Secunderabad West Maradpalli has been engaged in community services since its inception in the year 2010 under the leadership of Lion Y.C. Sunki as Charter President and addressing various challenging problems of the underprivileged sections of the society with prime focus on public health, environment and education, to name a few. For successful implementation of any service activity, adequate funds are inevitably required to meet the expenses involved. In order to address the fundraising challenge, we at our club engaged in series of deliberations during our regular meetings to design an activity which will enable us to generate monetary reserves which can be used for service activities for the benefit of poor and needy. The President Lion Narayana Suresh along with Secretary and Treasurer invited the fellow Lions to suggest their valuable ideas to come up with income generating programs to create a fund base for smooth conduct of service activities during the Lionistic year 2018 and 19. Some fellow members mooted ideas like organizing musical night, film exhibition as benefit show, and recreational activities like Tambola to raise funds for the club. Through concerted efforts and meticulous planning, as the adage goes, necessity is the mother of invention. We were successful in starting a chit fund activity exclusively for our own club members, which was launched during Lionistic year 2018 and 19 with all members' participation. Chit group will be for a period of 12 months, which will have clear accountability for the leadership of that particular Lionistic year. It was unanimously agreed that the President, Secretary and Treasurer would oversee the activity, and during each month, few members would be getting the chit according to the group size finalized. And since the idea was to create a fund base for the club, it was agreed that each member would contribute 25% of the accrued amount during the monthly auction. The amount will be used for service activities envisaged during that Lionistic year. This novel method not only generated perennial income to our club but also encouraged other members who want to save by participating in the chit and was more than willingly to joyously contribute some percentage in the form of donation to the club. This is indeed a success story, as during the inaugural year itself we could mobilize around rupees 2 lakhs. Very happy to share with all fine clubs of our district that the concept of having a chit group is continuing every year to raise funds. This year, 2020 and 21 club, Leadership President Lion M. Satyanarayana, Secretary Lion Iona Dimni and Treasurer Lion Jitendra Kumar Mohan would be more than obliged to share our experiences to other clubs in case they want to replicate similar activity for fundraising. Thanks to all our members for their excellent support in conducting fundraising activities successfully year after year.
ఈరోజు నా పిలుపు మేరకు మీరందరూ ఈ యొక్క ఏదైతే మనము ఈరోజు రిజల్యూషన్ తీసుకున్నామో దానికి సమ్మతి తెలియజేసినందుకు చాలా సంతోషం. మన క్లబ్కు ఫండ్ రేజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఈ చిట్ ఫండ్ ఒకటి స్టార్ట్ చేసి దాని నుంచి కొంత మనకు ఈ డబ్బు మన యాక్టివిటీస్ చేయడానికి ఫర్దర్గా మన క్లబ్ ముందుకు పోవడానికి పనికొస్తుందని చెప్పి మీతో అందరితో మనవి చేసుకోవడం, దానికి మీరందరూ సమ్మతి తెలియజేసినందుకు చాలా సంతోషం.
Today I am very happy to hear from all of the members who are sitting here and who have suggested and given a noble idea for fundraising, because our club is needing lot of service activities we are doing. For that funds are scarce. That is why this decision, wherein all of you have come forward and joined to raise chits, because out of these chits it is no profit, no loss business. 25% of this chit raised, out of their contribution, all the members, whoever getting chits, they donate it to the club, and that is why we will be able to do service activities.
ఈరోజు నాకు మా ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు ఇక్కడ మీటింగ్ ఉందని చెప్తే నేను వచ్చిన అనుకోకుండా సర్ప్రైజ్గా ఇది చిట్ మీటింగ్ అని తెలిసింది. నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీ అయింది. అనుకోకుండా ఈరోజు నాకు డ్రాలో నాకే వచ్చింది. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. మేము ఎవ్రీ మంత్ మా మెంబర్స్ అందరం ఇలాగ మేము ఇక్కడ చిట్ వేసుకొని ఎవ్రీ మంత్ దీంట్లోకి వెళ్ళి కొద్దిగా అమౌంట్ మేము కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసి మా క్లబ్కు డిపాజిట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అది కాకుండా కూడా ఎవ్రీ మంత్లో 4-5 యాక్టివిటీస్ మేము ఇండివిజువల్గా మేము డొనేట్ చేసి మేము సర్వీస్ యాక్టివిటీ చేస్తాము. క్లబ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్గా ఎంత గట్టిగా ఉంటే క్లబ్ అన్ని రోజులు సర్వైవ్ అవుతుందని చెప్పి మా యొక్క అభిప్రాయము.
We have started a chit group and I am really very happy. About 30 members have come forward, and out of this 3 winners will be declared every month, and I am so lucky today I have got the chit also. I am so happy, and out of this 25% of amount will be donated to the club activities, service activities and admin activities. It is really a very good concept, and our club has been doing wonderful service to human for the last decade.
I also came to know regarding the chit. So first I joined the one chit, then I joined second chit. When I joined the second chit, I got the first chit. Unexpected. So I'm very happy. So we are doing lot of activities and we are helping most of the poor people. And when we had this COVID period, we helped all these shelters people, and we came forward. Many people came forward and helping us. And before this, we used to have every month meeting. We used to go to Park Lane and we used to enjoy with the families. And it is very nice, and all are united, all are friendly type. So I like this. So that's why I joined the Lions Club. So I'm very happy. Thank you very much. God bless.